Violet, do you take Uglydolls to be your true husband? And an Uglydolls, do you take Violet to be your beautiful wife? I do. I do. I do. Leon and Unikitty, do you take yourself to be your beautiful love couples? I do. I do. Style Owl and Theon, do you take yourselves to be your wife and husband of beauty and fashion? I do. I do. Rosita and Funk Owl, do you take yourselves to be your beautiful, awesome, funky, musical wife and husband couples? I do. I do. For the powers must have been me, or all of us, we are gathered here today to those things called life. For the powers must have been me, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may kiss the bride. Congratulations to the brides and grooms.